That's good. He's a come forward fighter. But he needs the guy to stand in front of him. Oh, good left hook. And CAFU's in trouble. Oh, Genesis, he's got him in trouble. 2 minutes remaining. Oh, nice left hand from LIBRANZA.
America. One, two.
Madalas sinasabi ng karamihan na kung ikaw ay isang dayo sa baluarte ng kalaban, ay gagawin mo ang lahat para itumba itong kalaban sa mismong araw ng inyong bakbakan. Dahil kung aabot sa desisyon ang laban o aabot sa kamay ng mga hurado, ay paniguradong delikado ang lagay mo.
South Africa, Gideon, hardcore, Utalesi.
Gaya na lang itong ating bida na tubong Agusan del Sur na si Genesis Lagumbay Libranza alias Cobra. Isang dekalibreng boksidor, ilang beses nang napalaban sa labas ng Pinas, Africa, China at Amerika, at naging undercard pa dati sa laban ni Pacman kontra Kit Thurman. Bagamat pulido din ang experience nito at may impresibong kartada na 20 wins, 2 losses, 12 via knockout, ay di pa din nakaligtas sa isang questionabling laban. August 20, 2023, dumayo ang Team Libranza sa South Africa. Baluarte ng kalaban niya na si Pumilili Capo na sinasabing knockout artist umano dahil may kartada ito na 8 wins, 0 loss, 7 dito via knockout, isa lang ang umabot sa kamay ng mga hurado. Ang laban nila ay para sa bakanting IBF International Super Flyweight title. Ginanap ito sa Orlando Community Hall sa Soweto, South Africa. Batang-bata pa itong kalaban. May edad pa lang na 18 anyos. Pero kung experience ang pagbabasihan, ay talagang lamang na lamang si kabayan at 29 anyos pa lang. Masasabing may laban pa talaga sa mas batang South African. Pero sa mismong gabi ng bakbakan, ay marami ang umaasa na easy fight lang ng mas batang South African ang dayong Pinoy. Maliksi at mabilis daw itong gumalaw at southpaw, dagdag mo pa ang pagiging knockout artist daw nito. Pero di umubra ang estilo ng kalaban sa mas veterano nating kababayan. Sinabayan ang bilis at lakas ng South African, kaya naman gulpi di gulat ang inabot ng kalaban. Ilang beses pa itong muntik ma-knockdown sa harap ng kaniyang mga kababayan.
Oh, good left hook. And CAFU's in trouble. Oh, Genesis, he's got him in trouble.
Pero ang nakakagulat ay natalo pa sa kamay ng mga hurado ang ating dayong pambato. Marami ang di natuwa sa naging resulta. Pati mga taga South Africa ay di makapaniwala. Kampo ni LIBRANZA ay talagang nadismaya. Kaya naman, naging usap-usapan sa mundo ng boxing. Isa na naman daw itong dayaan sa larangan ng palakasan. Ating panoorin ang laban ni kabayang Genesis LIBRANZA alias Cobra kontra South African prospect na si Pumilili Cafu.
The opening round of a scheduled 10-rounder on the belt and around final bout of the afternoon. Fighter, and he's fighting a good fight here. Thanks to the body, digs deep. Scarf in. Nice hand speed already. Months ago against Jackson Chauke from Tembisa. One on a split decision at the Orient Theatre. Also over 12 rounds. Double edge amount for LIBRANZA. Nice little uppercut on the inside. There's another one. From the Cobra. LIBRANZA. Good CAFU. The CAFU throws back. Including the South Africans. He is good. His speed is good. In change though, no doubt. But I tell you what, super flyweight junior bantamweight. I mean, you've got Jackson Chauke there. The division is back from junior bantam to bantamweight with great talent. It's downstairs, LIBRANZA with the left hand as well. Nice body work done by the Philippine. Left hand from LIBRANZA. So slick and so sharp. When you get to... First, I just, sorry, slightly correct you there. He turned pro at the age of 18. CAFU quite happy to fight. Long rangey right hand, then goes for the uppercuts. And nice right hand from CAFU. There's a bit of blood on his nose though. Good work from LIBRANZA. Nice muscles. Oh, good left. Oh, gets a jab from CAFU. Opening 3 rounds, but suddenly it's a little bit slower, a little bit more purposeful maybe. But he's being picked off by the shot of Pumilili Cafu. Massive right hand from LIBRANZA. That got the attention from CAFU. Oh, another big right. You can feel it all the way through your wrist, your elbow, your shoulder. You know when you've sent in a good punch. This man's a serious fighter. Good right hand from CAFU. It's a nice straight right hand from CAFU. The fans enjoyed that. And a nice little left hand from LIBRANZA. Oh, and what a jab from as we are 10 seconds away. Nice punch from CAFU. Mate, you know the win the title, you have to go out and fetch it. Working for CAFU. He's got a black punch from LIBRANZA. In round 5, boarding around there, not throwing enough punches. Oh, CAFU. Our championship bout, our headline till he's up for grabs here in Soweto. It's been a success for him though in the straight. Yeah, those straight punches looking very purposeful. But CAFU knows where he is. Drawing LIBRANZA in, and then he's tagging him with those straight punches. LIBRANZA needs to get busy, he needs to get going. The stretch. There's no way you're going to CAFU. Exactly, like where he is now. The guys always do that. Right? The aggression going, and then they back off. Nice sharp left hand from LIBRANZA. Combination. Oh, almost a left hand that landed. One of those don't tag him on the chin. 10 seconds away from the end of round number 6. I still think that CAFU is fighting into the left hand from LIBRANZA as well. If you reverted the hand and you throw the hook, and then you put him in a corner. All of the right things at the moment. Another right hand from round number 7. Oh. Before we get to the end of round 7, nice left hand from LIBRANZA. 3 rounds remaining in this one. Nice right hand from CAFU. Combination all off the gloves. LIBRANZA's style is, but he needs the guy to stand in front of him. Oh, good left hook, and CAFU's in trouble. Oh, Genesis, he's got him in trouble here. CAFU's trying to hold on. Just that little delay. How much does that benefit CAFU? Now LIBRANZA is on the hunt. LIBRANZA's putting on the. You see the buzz on the step of the CAFU. LIBRANZA getting on this round, a bit more than that. It's been a good round for LIBRANZA. He's losing this fight. Oh, big left and right there. The arena is abuzz with the quality of fighting, and once again we have to give it the 5 fights so far gone to the scorecard. It shows you there's equal. Fans loved it in the background. Unfortunately, LIBRANZA's he's not landing with power punches. He's landing lots of punches, but no power. CAFU throws with effect. Oh, it's on the inside, CAFU. Then an uppercut returns. And the punch round number 9 of a scheduled 10. There was church services. Well done. Tries the right hand there, does LIBRANZA. Wasn't a bad one, but round. Nice right hand from CAFU to go down the ropes as well. And honestly, I think LIBRANZA's let CAFU off the hook a few times. But he's still a good fighter. He lands crisp, comfortable. 3 minutes. Vanilla CAFU. Genesis LIBRANZA. Nice work on the consecutive little forages from the South African fighter. That's a little bit better. 2 minutes remaining. Oh, nice left hand from LIBRANZA. The final round of CAFU's in trouble. Oh, brilliant hand speed from CAFU. He changed his mind. Now he goes upstairs, throws in a little left. This final round for this vacant IBF International Junior Bantamweight contest. A good fight. Wow. And it's a nice right hand from CAFU. LIBRANZA asking all the questions. Nice seconds remaining. Oh, lovely punches. Combination from CAFU. Looking for the uppercuts. And CAFU's hurt again. 10 seconds remaining. CAFU just trying to get out of the waterbound on the edge of being done. In fact, it is done.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa laban na to? Talaga bang nadaya si Kabayan? Comment your opinion at pag-usapan natin yan.
From